This says, I took a selfie at a red light while driving. I think that's illegal now. Hasn't that always been illegal? Lala, Serena, Kelly, Cassie, Selena. Is that Princess Diana's hat? Next picture is Kim eating a sandwich. And get naked in front of dozens of people. What did I just read? Today I'm reviewing the book that changed no one's life, Selfish by Kim Kardashian, which is a photography book with pictures of just Kim for like 500 pages. I didn't want to read this. I didn't even want to buy it. But I did that because of research purposes and educational purposes for YouTube. The book is this thick and the black part is the X-rated section with her X-rated pictures. I'm going to be reviewing this book page by page, and we're going to read the captions. And it's going to change our life. Probably not. Our lives will be exactly the same, probably a little bit worse. The cover of the book is just Kim in her best outfit, which is just a bra. Let's not waste any time, even though I'm wasting my time doing this. I think we left off. Oh, not the bikini one in the bathroom. Nope, not that. Okay, maybe that. Nope, not the blonde wig. I hate that I know all of this now. I have to preface this by saying I'm not a fan of the Kardashians in any way, shape, or form. I never will be a fan. Never was. I'm not currently, and I won't be in the future. I finally went blonde. I was getting ready for the Teen Choice Awards. I remember showing up to the red carpet with all of my sisters and no one recognized me. You look the same, just with blonde hair. So I don't know how that would be. I don't know how anyone wouldn't recognize you, Kim. You look exactly the same, Kim. Okay. Let's go to the next page. She's like, no one recognized me with highlights in my hair. Next page, Scott and I in New York City. Photo shoot in the desert. I would love to see the desert. But this is not about the desert. This is about Kim Kardashian. So she went to the desert. She went to New York City with Scott. Okay, that's great. Were you guys wearing your seatbelt? Because I don't really see that in here. That's against the law, just so you know. On my way to the desert to do a photo shoot for Pepsi. Doesn't everyone go to the desert and then drink Pepsi and get their picture taken? Okay, this one says, I was in Miami shooting Courtney and Chloe Take Miami, and we were done early one night, so Mario gave me a makeup lesson where he did half of my face and I did the other half. I secretly wish I was a makeup artist. What's stopping you? You could if you want. You have the money, you have the resources. Exactly. You don't secretly want to do anything other than what you're currently doing, which is nothing. Making books, taking pictures of yourself. Being a makeup artist is such a hard job. Not only do you need to be consistently updating your products, you need to know hygienic practices. You have to know how to apply the makeup for different types of faces and skin tones and different situations, styles. It requires a lot of skill to be a makeup artist. The next page is just a page of selfies with Kim in a robe. Purple eyeshadow mermaid shoot. Very good makeup. The makeup is always looking fabulous. So this one is her with Rob and Courtney. It says, these pics bring back so many memories. The first pic was in LA at a club with Rob. Mario did my makeup. I can always tell by looking at pics, LOL. The second pic is Court and I at a photo shoot. She was pregnant. She always looks so pretty pregnant. Hashtag jealous. Jealous of what? That she's pregnant or that she's pretty? Or that she's pretty while pregnant? It could be all three. It could be all of them. I'm jealous of the companies that ask people to donate to a charity or a cause when they're $1 billion corporation and they could simply just donate that money and not lose sleep over it. But you want me to donate that?
No.
Okay, these are just pictures of Kim. It says Vegas birthday celebrations at Tao. Movie premiere with Chloe. I mean, my girl's busy. She's going to the movie premieres, going to the restaurants. Bunch of photo shoots she's done. One is cupcake photo shoot and one is Barbie photo shoot. I don't see any cupcakes here though. Some selfies with her friends. Clubbing in LA with Chloe. And then Chloe and I going to a roller skating party. Well, that sounds fun. Who didn't get an invitation to that? Raise your hand. I was not invited to that. The next page says, it's the best feeling to have a friend you know will always be there, to pick you up during a fight with a boyfriend and drop everything or go to the Korean spa and get naked in front of dozens of people. Getting naked in front of people, what? We all need a friend like that we can We can call them and be like, hey, I need to do something. I need you with me to do this at the Korean spa. If I see Kim at the Korean spa, I'm leaving immediately. LOL. This is Brittany and I at the Knicks game in New York City. What did I just read? I love after all that, she's like, and then here's us at a Knicks game in New York City. You know, it's kind of annoying how good she looks in all these, right? Don't you just want like one ugly picture? Just one, Kim. Give us one. This page says my boys and I. So it's just selfies with, I don't know. I mean, I don't know any of these people. But this man's skin is glowing. So what kind of moisturizer are you using? This says, I took a selfie at a red light while driving. I think that's illegal now. Hasn't that always been illegal? To take a front-facing selfie with flash while you're at a red light and you're about to drive off after that? Can you even see? The laws don't apply to the Kardashians because they have money. Let's be real. Any one of us, we would have been arrested because of this. The police would be like, I bought your photo book and you admitted to a crime and now you're going to serve 50 years in prison. Rules for thee, not for me. Okay, so Kimberly doesn't care about the law. Let's go to the next picture. Just a picture of Kim. My best friends from elementary school. I've known Allison literally my entire life. Our parents were best friends before we were born. Simone and I met in 6th grade. She just emailed me the most embarrassing pics of us from high school. Thank God those did not make the book. I would have been interested in seeing those. Punta Mita, Mexico. Best photo bomb ever. Oh, there's Kim in the back there. Kim would not allow Rob to take a picture without her being in it. There's Kim in the back. I'm sure you can see her. Okay, let's go to the next page. This page is all photos of Kim with a young Kylie Jenner. What are we wearing, number 1? And number 2, how cute and young does Kylie look? Hashtag best friends, Jonathan and Simon. She has a lot of best friends. Next page is Kim's selfies with her friend. Okay, this page says, I love that I have thousands of pics, especially of my siblings, to see them grow up. We were sitting outside the doctor's office, bored, waiting on Courtney. My siblings would not allow me to publish photos like this of them. They'd be like, don't you dare show anyone this picture of me 10 years ago. No one needs to remember how I used to look. We're at 2010. And Kim Kardashian is going to space. Are they sending her to fix the space station? You know, don't they have astronauts still up there? They've been up there for like a year or something. Oh, this is not oh my God, this is not even astronaut stuff. I think this is a track for cars. Okay. Why I thought this was a space. Okay, this is not space. I was wrong. Maybe her dream is to be an astronaut. How am I supposed to know? Very cute picture of Kim with one of her sisters with the, I was gonna say Eiffel Tower. That's the Statue of Liberty. I'm done. My cat's judging me so hard right now. New York City, taken on my BlackBerry. We were filming Courtney and Kim Take New York. Filming there made me fall in love with this city. Filming in New York, Maze was so little. Just your typical family dinner. Selfies with her family. Where's the food though? What did the chef make today, Kimberly? What is this? Just your typical family dinner with our 7 professional chefs and our 100 wait staff and the 20 cameras. Helicopter ride in Miami. About to do the George Lopez show. She did George Lopez? Was she on was she an actress? Or was it like a talk show? I forgot. I would never do a helicopter ride. I'm too scared. Lakers championship. This game was so intense. Such a fun game to go to. I remember driving out. So many Laker fans were shaking our car. It was such a rush. That would be the last time I leave my house. If someone's shaking my car. I never quite understood why people do all that when their team loses. I mean, the players are still being paid millions of dollars. You don't need to be sad. Everyone goes home a winner, but you. There's no way I'm shaking any vehicles for any millionaire sports teams. I'm just not doing that. I don't get that type of response where you have to light the city on fire. Like,
our team lost. Now we have to burn everything to the ground.
Remove the stop sign so nobody stops and people get into 4-way accidents. I never understood it personally. This page says with Rob and then with Serena. So just selfies. Kendall, Kylie, and I in my mom's bathroom getting ready. Lauren, my mom, and I on our way to Mr. Chow in Miami. Her bathroom looks huge. Oh my God. There's like a whole section in the back just for a tub, like a jacuzzi type tub. And I mean, I'm seeing multiple windows in there. Multiple windows. Another page of selfies with her friend. Trying to turn this goddamn page. Next page says, my 30th birthday, Vegas and New York celebration. So Kim celebrating her birthday in not only New York, but also Vegas. Imagine flying to 2 different states to celebrate your birthday. My friends would be like, I'm not coming to that. May we all celebrate our birthdays on every coast in America 1 year. This page says, epic pic. Kelly looks so cute. Simon, Mr. Peabody, Jonathan, and those glasses. LOL. Oh my God, there's a picture with Snooki. Okay, love that. Snooki is so cute. Jersey Shore was something else. I remember we had a watch party for Jersey Shore, me and my friends, when it first came out. We would sit together, like watch it together. What a time to be alive. Next page says, girls, 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 girls. Lala, Serena, Kelly, Cassie, Selena. Oh my God. Is that Selena Gomez? Cassie? We all know about that situation, right? Because Kim is like friends with P. Diddy. Okay, I'm not going to say anything more. Kim probably never expected this whole thing to come out with P. Diddy, right? Are we going to see a picture with Kim and P. Diddy in this book? I'm actually really curious. I might just take a look just to see. Next picture. Selfie with her and her friends. If I could turn the page, that would be lovely. The crop in the middle kind of looks funny from here, right? Not the best picture of Kim. See, this is what I wanted to see. It's because of the cropping. But there you have it, guys. This one says, Rocky. How original. A boxer named Rocky. This one says, I was feeling this hat in New York City and had to get the perfect selfie in it. Is that Princess Diana's hat? Because Kim takes stuff from other celebrities and then she just redoes it. She's known to do that. She did it with Princess Diana's cross. She did it with Marilyn Monroe's famous dress. Does this belong to someone? Next picture is Kim eating a sandwich. It says, I don't know why that's funny to me. I'm like, she's eating a sandwich. I was in Spain here starving. I had to capture this moment of finally eating. Spain was a wild trip. Very relatable. I eat sandwiches all the time. She's just like the rest of us. She eats sandwiches. She goes to Spain on her private jet. She buys Princess Diana's things and then rewears them. Next page. Oh, okay. Next page says nothing. Absolutely nothing. Next page. It's her with Patrick Star from SpongeBob. What is that? Shooting my Carl's Jr. commercial. I was so excited. It was airing during the Super Bowl. Oh. So there's Kim Kardashian with a wannabe Patrick Star from SpongeBob. Next page. I see a pimple. I see a pimple, everyone. We did it, guys. We did it. You guys see that? There it is, everyone. We got it. I found one pimple over the course of 170 pages. Nothing wrong with having a pimple. It's just finally we see one picture with a pore or a line or something, right? A page of close-up selfies. And then the next page says, I was known for wearing the ugliest pajamas. My sisters had an intervention. An intervention over pajamas? Why do they care what you're wearing to sleep? When you have too much money, this is what you worry about. What pajamas your siblings are wearing. Who cares? Who cares, Kim? We have bills to pay. Old Hollywood glam vibes. Mary Phillips did my makeup. We were at an old home in the Hollywood Hills doing a cool shoot. Next page. Kim in a spiky dress. And then a close-up of her face here. Next page says, I'm obsessed with contour. And I'm obsessed with human rights. 2011, thank God. I'm done. That's it for today. We're this much in, and I'm just kind of done with that. But if you guys want a part 3, leave a comment down below, and I will gladly go through this book a third time, unfortunately.